Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I am here to present a speech on a very interesting topic, that is life of a woman in armed forces. In the end of the video, I will ask you two GK questions. If you want, you can give the answers in the comment section. So let's start the video. It all began in 1992 when the first batch of women was inducted in the Armed Forces of India. A revolutionary step indeed, and the steps which are received mixed reactions from the people. In a patriarchal society like India, this was a step which would mark the revolution for the equality of women. However, this was a remarkable step, and the sheer enthusiasm and the application which the Indian Armed Forces receive from women now are magnificent. The number of lady officers in the armed forces is a reason big enough to show that there is a no gender bias when it's come to being a soldier. A soldier is just a soldier. The life of armed forces is not easy, be it a man or a woman. The pressure is strong enough to break you. However, being a woman, it is slightly more tougher than it is for men. Men and women receive almost a similar kind of training in the armed forces. There are no direct combat roles of women, that is to say, our women soldier don't go as a fighter pilot or as an infantry soldier. Their main role is supporting arms like administration, logistics, supply, signals, and ordnance. Of course, there are women military pilots too. Confined to transport and helicopter, whether women should be allowed to serve in the combat role or not is a question of debate. Keeping conditions like prisoner of war and physical strength, it is so. However, seeing women from other countries, Israel, in the combat roles, it has to be yes. Nevertheless, this topic is subjective to a person's own view. The life of women armed forces officers is full of challenge and grit. It is definitely not an easy task. The continuous rotation for away from the family at times can be difficult for both body and mind. The training they receive is at par with the training that male officers receive from the same post. As I told you that I will ask you two GK questions in the last, so here is your first question. What was the year of India Pakistan First War? Second question. What was the year of Kargil War? So, with both these questions, I end my speech. And don't forget about the women who serve our country and protect our freedom. God bless our troops. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and bye bye for now.